It is good to update the date references of our products to avoid giving the impression that we're selling very old products. However, we know that this isn't an easy task, since finding all products by date is very tedious, especially if you have thousands of products. That's why in this video we're going to show you how easy it is to find your products with old year references and replace them from the product descriptions. To do this, we'll use the WP Sheet Editor plugin, which includes a powerful search tool and a bulk edit tool to help you find and edit thousands of products with just a few clicks. You'll find the link to download this plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. The first step to replace all the old year references in your product descriptions is to find them using the WP Sheet Editor search tool. This way, you make sure that you are not changing all the year references of your products, but only the ones you want. In this case, we'll show you how to search for all the products by the keyword shirt. To do this, just hover your mouse cursor over the search tool. This will bring up the quick search field, and you'll have to enter the keyword here. Then press enter on the keyboard. And all the products with that keyword will be filtered. If you want to search for your products by category, attribute, or tag, start by opening the search tool. As you can see, you can filter the products by different parameters like type, visibility, categories, tags, shipping classes, attributes, or we can even enable the advanced filters to have more search options, but in this case, I'll look for all products that belong to the 2019 category. To do so, I'll enter the category here and run the search. You can also search for all your products by date range. To do this, open the search tool. Check this box to enable the advanced filters. Now select the initial date here and the final date here. Then just run the search. After filtering the products to be edited, we'll use the bulk edit tool to replace the year reference. First, we have to select the rows that we want to update. In this case, will be all the rows from our current search. The field to edit will be short description. Select the replace option here. Now enter the year to be removed here. And the one to be added here. Finally, execute. After these simple steps, the dates will be modified. As you can see, you don't need to spend many hours editing your products individually, thanks to the bulk edit tool provided by the WooCommerce product spreadsheet plugin. Now you can apply this and many other changes to thousands of WooCommerce products in just minutes. Remember that you'll find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.